Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Karbglam, and if you are new, welcome to the Glam fam. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can miss any of my future uploads. And today video is starting gonna be what brings Boxycharm for July. So this is Boxy Premium. As you know, it's a subscription box. It's 25 for the regular box and 35 for the premium. So if you're interested and you want to subscribe, down below in the description is the link for you to make your first subscription. So now let's don't talk and let's gonna see what it is. So, mis chicas hermosas, bienvenidas de vuelta y a lo que vamos. Aquí tenemos nuestra caja de Boxycharm. Ustedes saben que Boxycharm es una caja por suscripción. Está Boxycharm regular que pagan $25 y Boxycharm Premium, que es esta, pagan $35 o tienen más productos. So, hoy voy a hacer un video un poco distinto, como si alguien me diera, esto es lo que tengo de maquillaje, colócatelo en tu rostro. So, esto es lo que vamos a hacer. So, así vino la caja Boxycharm Premium. Y el nombre de esta caja, recuerden que ellos siempre traen sus papelitos, y el nombre de esta caja es Boxycharm Sunshine. Todavía están con eso del verano, playa y eso. So, the name of this box is Boxycharm Sunshine. Okay, and the first product came here was this like pouch, this little pouch, like boxy pouch. Like, it's perfect to put your makeup or something. Those vacation, this neon orange color, like you see Boxycharm in the heart, and those little pom-poms here, like make a detail. So if you go to the beach and everything, get your stuff. So it's not my color, it's not Karbglam, so we're gonna be keeping for any giveaway. Como para meter tus maquillajes y ir de viaje. Tiene este bello adorno. No es mi estilo, pero voy a estar dándolo para un giveaway. Y el precio es de $20. So, the price is retail in $20. So, the next product we got here is this, like, Ciaté Everyday Vacay. Ciaté Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. It's a setting mist, so we're gonna be trying at the end of our makeup. So es un mist para sellar nuestro maquillaje hecho de coco, de la marca Ciaté. Miren qué bonito. Lo vamos a estar usando entonces al final de nuestro maquillaje. Vamos a ver qué dice aquí. False makeup one micropearls add a delicate shine to your face. So tienen microperlas que nos van a dar ese glowy que mucha gente le gusta tener en esta temporada. So the next product that came in this box is this. I never had heard about it. If you know how to pronounce, because I don't know, it's like Byroe is New York, or Byroe New York. It's a bitter green essence toner. It's a toner, so I really haven't listened about it. And the price for, look at this, look, it's green, look like the sea. And the price is $95. Oh my god. Bitter green essence toner. Es un tónico, como dice que es agrio y verde, y vale $95, lo que es súper altísimo. So, okay, let's see what say about it, this product, because $95, oh my god, I need to know what they say. So they say this bitter green essence toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth on one texture. So es perfecto para la textura de la piel. Si tienes mucha textura, o sea, cualquier clase de cosas causa granitos, textura, no especialmente granitos. Tiene 33 clases de vegetales diferentes que incluyen la artichoke. Nosotros llevamos alcachofa, incluye el brócoli, incluye también el basil. No me acuerdo el nombre del basil. Hidratan y purifican la piel. So, perfecto. Por $95. Tenemos que probarlo, pero nuestro skincare routine. Okay, the next product we have here is the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty. And this is a blush and shine kit. I never had heard this brand. So I like the package. It's like a white crocodile print on it, but it's white, so it looks super luxurious. I already got in my vanity display because oh my god, it's gorgeous, so clean. Look at this. So you got different kind of blushes that we're gonna be using today, and they have sunshine highlighter, and they have bronzers, and they have blush, 3 different kind of blush. Those bronzes have like glowing, all that stuff. So nunca he escuchado esta marca, Kenia, Ontiveros, pero a veces ellos trabajan con marcas como para hacerlas más escuchadas, y eso me gusta porque el empaque es como de cocodrilo blanco, so clean. Ya yo lo tenía puesto en mi vanity, y trae, como pueden ver aquí, 3 clases diferentes de rubores, y trae un iluminador y estos bronzer con brillito, así que lo estaremos probando. And the next product we have here is this Morphe collaboration by Manny. So I like how stunning is the package, like it's like marble look. For the people who don't know him, I think everybody knows him. Para la gente que no lo conoce, este es Manny y este es la paleta de colaboración con Morphe. So vamos a estar viendo aquí en cuánto está evaluada. Esta está evaluada por $20. So no es tan mal, me gusta el empaque. Here is the actual palette. You see, it's the same print, and this is the palette that we're gonna be using today. Have a stunning and neutral and glowy it is. They say, are you ready to go glam with Manny? This mirror palette pairs up 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes with stunning highlighters. So those are stunning highlighters. They retail for $20. So perfect. We're gonna be trying in our eyes just in a second, okay? And the last thing that they got is this Perricone MD. I don't know how to pronounce those words, guys. Perricone. I never have heard this, but the name of the brand is No Makeup Lipstick. O sea, no maquillaje para labios. Aquí trae una lista de retaíla que no voy a leer ahora. Y así viene el labial. Viene como un color así plomo, no sé. Dice que no es un list labial, pero a mí todos los labiales que me vienen siempre en este shade. Es uno de mis favoritos, pero Boxycharm, por favor, si estás escuchando, mándame otros colorcitos, ¿ok? Por favor. Improves fairness, smooth and definition over the time, and the price retail is $30. So tiene el precio de $30. Le da firmeza, no mucho color a los labios, pero te los hace ver muy firmes. So se llama No Maquillaje para Labios. So that's it, 6 products, and all the value of this box is $229 US. So let's see if y'all got working. So el valor total de la caja es de $229, y ahora vamos a ver si sirve, no sirve, bla bla bla. Lo primero que voy a estar utilizando es la sombra, porque ya mis ojos están listos. Entonces vamos a ponerlos un poquito, no mucho de colorcito, no mucho. Entonces yo como que empezaría usando este color Boy Next Door. It's the neutral color, and I'm gonna use it in my transition area on my eyes. So this is just a really quick makeup. It's just like, you know, like try to see how they are. One thing I can see, and this is all a Morphe formula, it's easy to blend. So es fácil de mezclar. Tiene la misma fórmula que tienen todos los productos de Morphe, okay? Just gonna pick this. It's the color Gementa. La magenta, pero es Gamenta. So yeah. So you're gonna apply this color with a big brush, and I'm gonna be applying just right here. Alright, you see that? It's Perfect. So now I'm gonna be taking Spellbound, this color aquí. Es como un chocolate oscuro. Y me lo voy a aplicar solamente aquí, como para dar profundidad. I just want to give deepness to the eyes. Now I'm gonna cut my crease and I'll be back. So now that I cut my crease, it was so easy this time. I'm gonna be using this shade like a goldish champagne color. It's called Scorpio. Voy a usar esta sombra llamada Scorpio. Y me la voy a aplicar right directly here. So now we're gonna take this shade called Cancer, and I'm just gonna be applying just right here. To make a beautiful transition. Wow, it's amazing. Beautiful. So now let's gonna try the Kenia Ontiveros blush and shine. In the shade I'm gonna be using, this, like, I'm gonna be mixing I'm gonna be mixing. Wow, it's super pigmented, so be careful. This color called Gemini, and I'm gonna try like to give shape to my face contour or something. So I think it's so pretty. So now just gonna using the lighting we got here, and I'm gonna be using this rose color, and I'm gonna apply it just right here in the ball. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Now with the highlighter of Manny, with this beautiful highlighter, I'm gonna put on the top of my eyes. I'm gonna take this Nova highlighter, and I'm gonna apply it just right here. For the down part, I'm gonna use the same colors, maybe this and this, Magenta and Cancer, and that's all I'm gonna do down my eyes. Now let's gonna be trying the Perricone No Makeup Lipstick. You know, it's not really like makeup, it's not really like giving color, but you see the glow is appearing. It's like moisturize, tonic your lips. Realmente no da color, pero está como tonificando y dándole firmeza a los labios, y les ha salido como un brillito. Aquí se ve súper seco y al aplicarse queda un poco brilloso. So, esto me recuerda el maquillaje coreano, que ellas solo se maquillan aquí céntrico y acá se ve como difuminado. Bueno, si les gusta así de sencillo, y ahora que estamos con las mascarillas todo el tiempo, pues esto nos ayuda bastante. Now we are all the time with the mask. This is perfect. So now that's gonna be using our everyday Vacay setting spray infused with coconut, and let's gonna set this makeup, guys. Oh, it's super strong. It came so low and it smelled like coconut, but super soft, like anything bad. So guys, I'm gonna put my lashes and I'll be back. And I can tell you guys, like, I'm obsessed with this makeup. makeup was so easy. I think it's the fastest makeup I ever done. Everything blends so quick, like you can tell the quality of the eyeshadows. So what I have to tell about Morphe by Manny palette, I really like it. It's blends so easy, as I said. Was a little mess in the pan, but just this eyeshadow called Cancer was the only that really the mess. And this is something good about to say, because we know all Morphe palettes do like a little dusty on the pants, and I really like my pants be clean and stunning and all that, but this, guys, is amazing. Pues esta fue mi favorita. Blenda súper rápido y creo que es el maquillaje más rápido que me he hecho en la historia, porque mezclan súper, así que las recomiendo. So now Kenia Ontiveros blush and highlighter. I think it's okay, but be careful because those two are super pigmented, so you need to get little by little, and that's it. Nothing else to say. I think it's great, and I use this K Rose as you see here, and this is stunning. So creo que son muy lindas. Tienen mucho pigmento, así que con cuidado, hay que echarse poco en poco. The list is the Perricone MD. I think it's okay if you're looking for no makeup. And they say I think give a natural glossy, as you can tell, and it's perfect with those mask days. So si no quiero usar tanto maquillaje, busca más para un look más glowy, más natural, más aceitosito, que te hidrate, este es el perfecto. And the Ciaté Everyday Vacay Setting Spray was amazing. Just I think had too much strength on, so put so far away, and that's everything. I love the packaging and everything. Creo que me gustó, tiene mucha fuerza, pero creo que es chévere. ¿Cuál es mi producto favorito? Definitivamente la paleta in collaboration with Manny. This was my favorite one. Guys, that was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed, you like it. This look is amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite product, and if you like these kind of videos. So chicos, esto fue todo. Espero que les haya gustado. Un look muy fácil, porque las sombras son fáciles de manejar. Fue mi producto favorito que acabo de decir. Y déjenme abajo saber cuál fue su producto favorito en los comentarios. Así que no se olviden, si son nuevos, no olviden suscribirse en mi canal, y nos vemos la próxima. Bye.